by a mosque in Peshawar. Several people were injured and there were victims, and we join the words of condolences, and we insist that the fight against terrorism should be more active all over the world, without any double standards and without attempts to play with the terrorist groups for the sake of achieving someone's political goals. This is what is being done quite often by some of our Western colleagues. We decided to continue the practical partnership in the anti-terrorist track, both bilaterally through the relevant work groups at the level of Deputy Ministers of Foreign Affairs, and multilaterally, first of all in the United Nations and in the Shanghai Cooperation Organization. We are satisfied with the current status of the Russian-Pakistani military cooperation. We support regular contacts between the heads of the defense ministries, the heads of the general staff, and we also conduct regular joint exercises for military training, battlefield training, including the exercises for improving the anti-terrorist capacity. We continue providing training for the Pakistani servicemen in the institutions of the Russian Defense Ministry. We also talked about the plans to build up the humanitarian, cultural and educational links. We are satisfied to note that the Pakistani universities, in particular the universities of Balochistan, Peshawar and Islamabad, have expressed their interest for creating the centers for Russian language. And we continue to provide state scholarships for Pakistani citizens in our Russian universities. We have a positive outlook of the dialogue between our foreign ministries, including the dialogue within the framework of the United Nations, the global organization. This helps us find more efficient solutions for the current regional and international issues. Naturally, we spend a lot of time talking about the situation in Afghanistan, which is directly linked with the task of eliminating the terrorist threats in our region, since unfortunately the threat still exists in the territory of Afghanistan, but efforts are being taken, and we have agreed to use the capacities of the SCO, in particular the SCO Afghanistan Contact Group. We have a shared interest in building up cooperation within the SCO. We agreed that